I won't save pain. Don't wanna be that way anymore. Something should change. I don't even know for sure. And I'm not insane, but I always look for a cure. Just yesterday